Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to copy another Shopify store, which is really simple. So we are in the Shopify App Store, and the only thing you'll have to do is search up Matrixify. So it's called Matrixify right here. Matrixify, it's matrixify.app. So Matrixify can bulk import, export data and migrate it to your store basically. So it can do a lot of things, not just migrate simple task, but you can also do other things such as products, collections, customers, companies, discounts, draft orders, and many much more. You can bulk import or export data basically right here. Excel, CSV, Google Sheet template, even your existing store data, and even migrate it to Shopify if you need to. So that's how my Matrixify will work basically. How it works is it exports the Shopify data, and then you can bulk edit the Shopify data, import the info to Shopify, review it, and then you can repeat and rinse and do it again. So it's just that simple. You can even have it in XLS form right here, as you can see, and it's just that simple. So you will use Matrixify. Of course, this is a paid service. You'll have to install it via the Shopify store, of course, and then you'll be on your way. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.